temp gauge there through the Holley system. So nice driving car. We built this. We only have about 50 test miles on this car. Pretty strong 396. Got a pretty big cam in it. New wheels and tires. Rebuilt turbo 400. Lots of other receipts on it. We did the body on it. As you can see, got nice black paint on it with a white stripe. It is an SS clone. We did put the 12-bolt rear end in it and the 400 turbo, so in the correct gauges. They were out of a 71 El Camino, I believe. So everything, you know, you can fool whoever you want on this, but like all 71s, unless you have a built G, you can't tell the difference. So nice cruiser car, fun to have a convertible with a big block in it. And like I said, this one runs out good, AC in it. And a strong runner. Tag down there. Run a 187 warm, so runs nice. So we'll turn around here and then I'll go through the shifts for you. Power steering, power brakes, but got a pretty big cam in it, so you got to use a little foot on your brakes.